There are going to be times where you'll have to void or refund a transaction for your customers using the GoDaddy mobile app. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how it's done. If you haven't been paid out for the order yet, void will be an option that you can use so that your customer doesn't get charged and you won't pay any transaction fees. If you've already been paid out, then you'll see the refund option. Let's check it out. From the GoDaddy mobile app, select Payments and then select Transactions. Locate the transaction you'd like to void or refund. I'm going to select this one. I'll be able to void it since I haven't been paid out yet. I'm going to select Void Transaction and then select Yes, Void. You'll have the option to send a receipt to your customer via email or text if they request it. I'm not going to send a receipt in this situation. Select Done to void the transaction. That's it. Pretty easy, right? I'm Darlene, and I hope this helps to lighten your workload a little. Take care.